Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our presentation on surviving the tech winter of 2023. Join us as we share our survival guide to help you stay warm, connected, and thrive in this challenging season. Presented by the talented team of Suya, Bryan, Fernando, Liauwan, Calvert Tanudihardjo, Sebastian, Veron, and me, Jovian, as the part of MicroStrategy XPSU IPE Datathon Competition 2023. Join us as we navigate through this tough season and uncover strategies to thrive during this stormy condition.
Tech winter is expected to be a challenging time for the technology industry, with the budget cuts, declining investment, and layoffs becoming more common. In the picture, we can see visual of two layoffs. The left one from Amazon, a US company, and the other one, and the right one, from Goto, an Indonesia company, highlighting the global impact of layoff during the tech winter.
Okay, let's look at the layoff data. We can choose to display the information between the country, for example, like between Indonesia and also the United States. Here we have some charts. The first one is the layoff counts per year. As we can see, in the USA, the numbers have continued to increase from 2020 until now. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, the highest number will be on the 2022, as it will already decrease in 2023. As the second chart, we have the companies with the most layoffs in the percentage. In the United States, as we can see, Meta has the highest percentage of layoff between the other companies. We have also the top 5 industries that got impacted. As we can see in the United States, the industries that the most impacted is from the consumer. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, the industries that has the most impacted is from the transportation. Here we can see like the Amazon in the United States have the highest number from layoff by employee. But if we look at the chart by percentage, Amazon has only 5% layoff from the total of employee. Meanwhile, Meta is to 21,000, like lower than Amazon, but they already left like 13%, like higher from the Amazon from the value of percentage.
Even though there is a lot of layoff currently happening everywhere, there are also a lot of job opportunities in the tech world, especially jobs that are data science related. Data science related jobs are considered to be the job of the century because we live in an era where we produce a lot of data, which can be processed and analyzed to help with decision making. In this dossier, we will take a deep dive into available data science related jobs.
This page summarizes the relationship between average salary, total demand, company size, type of ownership, and job title, and will be explored in more detail in the following section. The top visualization contains line and bar chart displaying average salary and total demand based on job titles, which allows you to compare which job titles have the overall average salary and total demand. The bottom visualization displays a heat map that divides ownership type and company size that allows you to see correlation between company size and ownership type, whether it affects salary or not.
Next, rating and salary range. Speaking of job ratings are rated by employees or other individuals who are familiar with the job. For these ratings, the source we took from Glassdoor. These ratings can provide insights into the work environment, managing style, employee satisfaction, and other important factors. Also, speaking of salary range refers minimum and maximum salary to an employer willingly to pay for a particular job. It's important to research and consider salary range when evaluating job opportunities. The following dashboard display both of this information with following feature. rating at the top. We can select also the filter by the job title, and as well as the average salary based on company size and type of ownership below.
Going forward, we can see the information about which skill has the highest pay based on the job title and also the industry. Here we have AWS, Big Data, Business Intelligence, Excel, Python, Hadoop, and also Spark. For example, here, if I choose Machine Learning Engineer, we will display all the industry. It has the most highest salary in the Big Data. But if we choose like the specific industry, for example, like aerospace and defense, yeah, it's still the Big Data that has the highest paying skill. For example, if I choose another example, data analyst in advertising and marketing, business intelligence and Python highest most paying skill for the title of data analyst and the advertising and marketing industry.
In data science, there are a lot of tools that can be used to help us with processing and analyzing and predicting new data. Some tools require some level of skill to use efficiently. In this page, we can see which skills are popular in certain job title, sector, and industry. And we can also see which skills are required in certain job title. For example, if we choose AWS or Amazon Web Services, we can see that AWS is more popular in engineering related jobs, such as data engineer and machine learning engineer. AWS is mostly used in industry, in information technology sector, such as computer hardware and software, and IT services.
The top paying industries are listed in this top left section grid, which can be clicked to display the top paying companies according to the selected industry. You can also use an input filter for the number of results. Top paying companies are listed in a grid below and can be filtered by company name coupled with columns of other important information.
Paid income to finding a job. One of the most important factors to consider is location. Job location have a significant impact on many aspects of our life, from our daily commute to our cost living, social life, and overall well-being. The view shows location information that can be clicked as well as other detailed information such as a list of companies and the average salary and demand sectors. Some of the following filters can also be used, such as selecting a job type on the left, also choose on the right side there are job demand and average salary per year to get the specific information. Emphasis on the color on the map that shows the average percentage of salary. The higher it is, the darker it is.
And that brings us to the end of our presentation. We sincerely hope that the information and insights shared today will prove valuable to all those who have received it. We would like to express our appreciation to the MicroStrategy workstation software as part of our Datathon experience. It has been instrumental in creating amazing dashboards and visualizations. Its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface have greatly contributed to the success of our project. Thank you all for your attention and participation. We wish you the very best in navigating through the tech winter and beyond.